Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix cyber attacks with CyberArk, complete guide step by step clearly. Identify the type of cyber attack your organization is facing. Gather information on the attack vector and any vulnerabilities exploited. Assess the impact of the cyber attack on your systems and data. Notify your internal security team and any relevant stakeholders. Initiate a lockdown of affected systems to prevent further damage. Access your CyberArk dashboard to begin the recovery process. Utilize CyberArk's privilege management features to secure compromised accounts. Rotate passwords for any accounts that were part of the attack. Implement CyberArk's access controls to limit user permissions. Monitor account activities for unusual behavior or unauthorized access. Employ CyberArk's session monitoring tools to review past sessions for further insights. Engage CyberArk's incident response team if specialized assistance is needed. Review your organization's security policies and access configurations. Update your network security protocols to mitigate future risks. Conduct training sessions for employees on recognizing and preventing cyber threats. Document the entire incident and the steps taken to resolve it. Create a comprehensive report for future analysis and learning. Schedule regular audits using CyberArk to proactively identify potential vulnerabilities. Adjust your cybersecurity strategy based on lessons learned from the incident. Ensure that all updates and changes are well communicated across the organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.